Hello. Today we are going to learn web development and software development. In Module 3 we have these topics. Front-end development technologies e.g. HTML, CSS. JavaScript back-end development technologies e.g. Node.js, PHP. Python web frameworks e.g. React, Angular, Django. Front-end development technologies are the technologies used to create and design the user interface of a website or web application. Some of the main front-end technologies include 1.attl hypertext markup language used for creating the structure and content of web pages. 2.css cascading style sheets used for styling the visual elements of web pages, such as fonts, colors, and layout. 3.javascript a programming language used for adding interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages, such as animations, user input validation, and handling events. 4. Query a popular JavaScript library used for simplifying the process of interacting with HTML documents, handling events, and creating animations. 5. Bootstrap, a front-end framework that provides pre-built CSS and JavaScript components, allowing developers to quickly create responsive and mobile-first web pages. 6. React, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces that allows developers to create reusable UI components and manage the state of the application. 7. Vue. J is a progressive JavaScript framework for building user interfaces that emphasizes component reusability, simplicity, and performance. 8. Angular, a popular JavaScript framework for building dynamic web applications that provides a full-featured MVC, model view controller architecture, a powerful template system, and a robust set of built-in tools and libraries. These technologies are constantly evolving and improving, with new frameworks and libraries emerging all the time to simplify and enhance the development process. Back-end development technologies are the technologies used to develop the server side of a web application, which includes the code and logic that runs on the server to generate dynamic content and interact with databases. Some of the main back-end technologies include 1.node.js, JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to use JavaScript on the server side, making it easier to create fast and scalable web applications. 2. PHP, a popular server-side scripting language that is widely used for building dynamic web applications, content management systems, and e-commerce websites. 3. Python, a high-level programming language that is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, making it a popular choice for back-end web development. 4. Ruby on Rails, a popular web application framework that uses the Ruby programming language to build scalable and maintainable web applications. 5. Django, a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design, making it a popular choice for building complex web applications. 6. ASP.NET, a web application framework developed by Microsoft that is used to build dynamic web applications, services, and apps using .NET technology. 7. Express.js, a popular Node.js framework used for building scalable and robust web applications and apps. 8. Flask, a lightweight Python web framework that is often used for building small to medium-sized web applications and apps. These technologies are constantly evolving, with new tools and frameworks emerging all the time to simplify and enhance the development process, improve performance, and increase scalability. Web frameworks are software frameworks that provide a set of tools and libraries for building web applications. They typically include pre-built components, templates, and modules that developers can use to quickly build and deploy web applications. Here are some popular web frameworks. 1. React. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It allows developers to create reusable UI components and manage the state of the application. React is used by many popular websites such as Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix. Angular. Angular is a popular JavaScript framework for building dynamic web applications. It provides a full-featured MVC architecture, a powerful template system, and a robust set of built-in tools and libraries. 3. Django. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. It is often used for building complex web applications and is known for its security features and scalability. For Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails is a popular web application framework that uses the Ruby programming language. It is known for its simplicity and the speed at which applications can be built. 5. Flask. Flask is a lightweight Python web framework that is often used for building small to medium-sized web applications and apps. It provides a simple and flexible framework for building web applications. 6. Express. JS. Express.js is a popular Node.js framework used for building scalable and robust web applications and APIs. It provides a minimalistic and flexible approach to web application development. 7. Spring. Spring is a Java-based framework used for building enterprise-level web applications. It provides a comprehensive framework for building robust and scalable applications. These frameworks can help developers save time and effort by providing pre-built components and libraries for common tasks, as well as providing a standardized structure for building and deploying web applications. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next part.